Everybody, today I'd like to talk about home-based businesses, network marketing like Asante Organics. And here's some great advice for you. Having a home-based business has so many benefits. It really literally, if you're with a good company like Asante Organics, has the upside of a traditional business without any downside risks like accounts receivable, accounts payable, employee hassles, overhead, you name it. So you really can have a great home-based business with a company like Asante Organics for very, very little money put out by you. But here's something I'd like to talk to you about today. Many of the things that are your normal things that you're paying for can now become a write-off. Now, I'm not giving you accounting advice here. You're going to want to get back to your CPA, your certified public accountant, and talk with them about what you can and can't write off. But with the IRS, at least in the United States, it's all about documentation, documentation, documentation. And the point I'd like to talk to you about today, since this is a home-based business, if you use a portion of your home to do your home-based business, well, then you might be able to write part of your rent or mortgage off. So again, you're going to want to get back to your CPA about that. And as you notice, that picture at the beginning part of this video was a home office, really literally a desk that was built into a closet. So that's a really great idea. So what I'd like to know below in the comments section is, do you have an area in your house? It doesn't have to be a converted closet. Do you have an area? Is it a little fold-up table? Do you have a regular desk that you bought where you do your work? Because I'm of the school of thought, I believe that you need somewhere in your house or your apartment or your condo that you associate with work. Yeah, this is a mobile business and you can do this work with a cell phone at a coffee shop and all that's great and you should be able to do that. But also you should have an area that you relate to work, because our mind, our psyche has been trained to do this ever since we were young kids. When we were in preschool, we went to our preschool, right? We had our cubby hole where we put our backpack and our lunch. We had our desk with our name on it and so on and so forth. So a place in your house where you do your work. So again, in the comment section below, let me know where you do your work for your home-based business or your Asante Organics business. Where in your house or your condo or your apartment do you typically do your work? Where's your computer? Now, again, if it's a laptop, you can take it outside, which is fun once in a while, but where is the main area that you do your work? Where's your printer and so on and so forth? So I look forward to reading your comments, and as always, I look forward to sharing again with you real soon. Bye-bye, everybody.